So, this is the Bwise DT714LP-LE-14, a 7x14 low-profile dump trailer built from steel to work as hard as you do. It carries a 14,000-pound gross weight, over 10,000 pounds of payload, a 6-inch channel main frame, and dual 7,000-pound axles. From every angle, it's heavy-duty steel, 6-inch channel rails, and a 7-gauge floor. When it's time to unload, twin telescopic cylinders power the bed up, and gravity brings it back down. Out back, a two-way combo gate opens to steel ladder ramps, so you can spread a load or drive equipment right on. It's built for real work, hauling gravel, dirt, mulch, and stone for contractors and landscapers, and clearing debris off any job site. This one's loaded with upgrades too: a 7-gauge heavy-duty floor, an aluminum debris tarp, a full-size spare, and a Demco coupler. And buying it is just as easy. First, no fees. The price you see online is the price you pay, with no dock, dealer, or prep fees. Second, a live online inventory. If it's on our website, it's on our lot, in stock and ready to go. And third, a true one-stop shop with a huge selection, thousands of parts, and expert technicians for the life of your trailer. Find us in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, 3 miles west of Interstate 81, exit 16, serving the Mid-Atlantic. Browse our full inventory at BrechbillTrailers.com and get your quote in just a click. Or give us a call at 717-262-6383.